Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add the smile to your selfie on the FaceApp application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone, then select the picture. After that, you should slide to the right side of the screen down below until you find the smiles section. Click on it, and here you can find all of the available filters, but only one of them is available to all of the users and the others are available for the premium users of the application. So click on the classic filter in order to apply to your picture, and here you can see how it looks like. If you want to see the contrast between the original and the filtered picture, click on the contrast button on the right side of the screen, so here you have the difference. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.